Alright, so it's almost 2 in the morning. It's been the hardest night so far. We're definitely at some higher altitude and I'm feeling it. Feeling a little nauseous and a headache. We hiked 5 miles today. Now we've got these crazy winds. Just feeling it right now. So I'm gonna try to keep laying down and keep staying hydrated, but man, it is no joke out here right now. The wind is like, it's coming and going, but there's a couple times I really thought the tent was gonna blow away. We're camping in the Rocky Mountain National Park in the Marine campground. And the temperature, it's kind of in the mid 40s right now. Probably by 4 or 5 in the morning it'll be in the 30s. Holy shit, last night sucked. Worst campsite of all time. We're still in the Rocky Mountain National Park and the Marine campground, site number 225. If your life depends on it, don't stay there. It's the worst pull-up tent site in all of America. It's literally 20 feet from the dump station, the water station, the exit, the trash, like you name it. It's just literally next to it. And it was uneven, you couldn't stake the tent down all night, didn't sleep. Wind came through, which is what we're dealing with right now. Still camp or try to get a backwoods, backcountry wilderness permit, camp at a trailhead, anything but that campsite. No. I'll give you more details on it later. We're gonna go kind of vibe out and check out some of these elk and figure out what the next phase is of this journey. So here is a quick update on the Prius road trip we're on. We're in Rollins, Wyoming, and headed down to Lander, Wyoming, about 2 hours north. We're gonna try to camp out at the Sinks Canyon State Park. Hopefully this weather holds up. We dealt with a lot of rain and snow and wind yesterday, so we stopped and got a hotel. So only the second hotel we've got in 2 weeks, so it's going pretty well. Tonight is a campground, and if all that works out, I'll be filming and doing some hiking and stuff. So it's a beautiful day now, and we'll be coming back to you with more action soon.